Welcome back to Legendary Machine, where we dive deep into the most extraordinary cars on the planet. Today, we're getting behind the wheel of a car that blends Italian elegance with raw, unfiltered performance, the 2027 Maserati MC20. This isn't just another supercar, it's a statement, a machine designed to make both your heart race and your pulse quicken. Let's break it down, starting from the outside. The first thing that hits you about the MC20 is its stunning exterior. Maserati has always been synonymous with Italian beauty, but the 2027 MC20 elevates that to a whole new level. Every curve and line serves a purpose, blending aerodynamics with sheer artistry. The front end features aggressive, swept-back headlights that give the car a predator-like stance. The grille is sharp and unmistakably Maserati, instantly recognizable while maintaining a modern, sleek appeal. The body is sculpted from carbon fiber, not just for aesthetics but for performance. It's lightweight, strong, and contributes significantly to the car's agility. The side profile is pure elegance in motion, with flowing lines that guide your eyes from the front fenders to the rear haunches. Those butterfly doors are more than a gimmick, they elevate the MC20's presence and give it that cinematic, jaw-dropping entrance every time they open. And then there's the rear, a sharp, purposeful diffuser, dual exhaust tips, and a subtly integrated spoiler that combines beauty and functionality. Every detail screams performance, but it does so with class and sophistication. Step under the hood, and the MC20 is just as impressive. This 2027 model carries Maserati's next-generation Nettuno twin-turbo V6 engine, now producing an astounding 720 horsepower. That means the MC20 can sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just under 2.9 seconds. The car doesn't just accelerate, it launches you into a completely different dimension of driving. Power delivery is immediate, responsive, and perfectly linear. Whether you're tearing down a straightaway or carving through tight corners, the MC20's performance is thrilling, yet controlled. Handling is another highlight. Maserati has fine-tuned the suspension and chassis to provide a perfect balance of comfort and precision. Carbon ceramic brakes offer immense stopping power, giving you confidence to push the limits. The steering is sharp and communicative, connecting you directly to the road. Despite its supercar status, the MC20 feels surprisingly manageable at lower speeds, making it not just an exotic toy, but a car you could realistically enjoy on regular drives. Inside, the MC20 is a blend of minimalism and luxury. While this is primarily a driver-focused machine, Maserati has made no compromises on comfort or style. The cabin wraps around you in leather, alcantara, and carbon fiber accents. Controls are sleek, digital, and intuitive. The infotainment system is upgraded for 2027, offering a sharper interface, faster responses, and seamless connectivity. Visibility is decent for a supercar, and the seating position makes you feel perfectly planted. It's not an overly complex interior, but that's part of the charm. It's about focusing on driving, not distractions. Every detail in the interior screams Italian craftsmanship. Stitching is precise, surfaces are soft to the touch, and there's a sense of elegance that's hard to find in cars of this performance caliber. Unlike some other supercars that feel more like a cockpit, the MC20's cabin strikes a balance between being sporty and inviting. To sum it up, the 2027 Maserati MC20 is an extraordinary blend of style, luxury, and raw power. From its aggressive and aerodynamic exterior to its blistering performance and driver-focused interior, it's a car that demands attention while rewarding you. With one of the most thrilling driving experiences on the market, Maserati has crafted a vehicle that doesn't just compete with other supercars, it sets a standard in its own right. If you're looking for a car that turns heads, excites your senses, and offers the perfect harmony of Italian artistry and cutting-edge engineering, the 2027 MC20 is exactly that. This is the kind of car that makes you stop, stare, and remember why you fell in love with driving in the first place. Thanks for watching Legendary Machine. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the Maserati MC20, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update on the most legendary machines in the world. Until next time, drive hard, drive smart, and keep chasing the extraordinary.